If you want to stir the pot with your friends, play devil's advocate with your family, or come up with some great debate topics for students, we've got the ultimate list of controversial questions to kick things off. Some controversial discussions questions include, how should we decide who receives organ transplants? Is a hot dog a sandwich? Is Robin Hood a thief or a hero? Why do you think people dream? Or can exes ever be just friends? These conversation starters can be used as icebreakers or to delve into pop culture debates, celebrity controversies, and profound ethical questions concerning human life, modern society, and moral obligations. The aim is to provide a starting point for lively and thought-provoking conversations.